3,000 years ago, a metalsmith lived a quiet life in the mountain village of Mizpah until the shofar sounded the call to war.
Please don't go. I'm pregnant.
I must do my duty.
After a disastrous battle, a quest for a king is selected, then rejected. A young hero arises.
I will give your corpse to the bird!
This very day, Yahweh will deliver you into my hand, and I will strike you down.
A voice from the grave declaring doom. The rightful king takes his place. But will the biggest threat to the kingdom be the king's own passions?